At Moretec, every production step works within our fully integrated manufacturing system. Starting from R&D simulation, all the way to finished product testing. We develop all analysis work in-house, covering magnetic field, thermal performance and fluid characteristic research. Our whole production stays in one workshop, connecting original design all the way to final product verification. We are equipped with premium CNC machining units and professional high-precision inspection instruments. Each sealing component goes through 2 separate leak checks, Helium test plus our exclusive pressure detection procedure. We follow ISO-certified quality management rules and keep full records to trace every single production step. With global engineering and supply resources, we deliver customized solutions to fit various application requirements. From initial concept to finished goods, we leverage professional engineering experience and precise manufacturing, helping clients build more reliable vacuum systems for stable long-term operation.